So guys, I saw Escape at the grocery store, so I decided to buy them. And back home we used to have them. I don't know if it's the same, but it looks like a similar fruit we used to have back home. I used to have back home, so I took this one. This one they call them Escape, Tropical Escape.
Orange.
This is mandarin. Let's.
Orange.
Laisse. Tu n'as même pas la... Il faut déposer. On lave d'abord avant de manger. Ben, il prend. Voilà ta mandarine. Prends. No, this is my plate. Take one like this and go. Laisse mon plat. Pas avec le plat. Il faut donner un à Titi. Leave my tree. Girl, leave my tree. So I've washed them. This is the fruit. I don't know. I've had something like this in Cameroon before. So when I saw it, I was like, okay. Actually, it's the same thing. This is how it looks like inside. You peel, and it looks white. It looks white from inside. So I'm gonna peel it. The pancake is size is the same, but I've forgotten the taste long time ago. Maman, il faut pas verser. I don't remember, but similar. This one they call it Escape, Tropical Escape. How to see? Wow. Ben, tu veux? Vous voulez? You want? Come on, get one. Come on, take one. I'm not sure you're gonna like it. You call it an enfant là. Don't want it. Guys, she doesn't want it. I don't even know. It's sweet, but I don't remember, but the taste is somehow it's sweet, but do it. Ben les prends là. Ben les smell it fresh. Really. It sang d'abord. Tastes good. Ben les sied. The dishes is la mandarin. You don't want it? Stop peeling it if you don't like it. Just put it in the garbage alone. Je jette ça. That's it.